Hi everyone! Today, let's unboxing the number blocks from 1 to 10. So the part 1, I unboxing the 1 to 10 number blocks Mathlink Cubes. So this is the part 1. For the 11 to 20 and 21 to 30, you will see me at the next part. So let's unboxing this number block. Here, ooh, a tape. And open it. Ooh! Wow! Oh, what's this? What's this thing? Ooh, it's difficult. I think this is the faceplate, right? I'm not sure. Oopsie. Oh, there's a faceplate in this. Oh my god, it's very hard to peel the tape. Oh, there we go. Oh, there's a faceplate. Wow, so many faceplates. Let's pull it out. Oh, which has so many numberlings and faceplates. Wow, so beautiful. Oh, the numberling is more beautiful than the 30 to 100. Oh, here, this is a number block 0 which doesn't have any blocks. And where's the 0 stand? The number block 0 stand. Let's see. Look, this is the 0 stand that I have explained you with the previous video. So, and this is the flash character card. So let's peel them. There. Wow, so many. 0, which is there's nothing from anything. There's nothing, right? 0, which means does not exist anything. Like this. There's no cake in the plate or no eggs in the nest. And this is how to write the number 0. So this is the number 1. Number block 1 is the number block which is have one bread ball, 1 cupcake, 1 flour, and 1. And there's how to trace the number 1. And there's the rule how to find the number block 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1, right? So for this one is a number block 2. Number block 2, well, 1 plus 1 equals 2. So plus is the sign that add together, right? And this is the shape of the number block 2. And 2 loves anything which is pair, like hands, shoes, socks, and so on. For this one is a number block 3. Number block 3 is made of 2 plus 1, right? 2 plus 1 equals 1, 2, 3. 3. And 3 has so many shapes too. And the triangle has 3 points and 3 points and 3 sides. For the number block 4, which is the funniest character ever. So number block 4 is made of 3 plus 1 equals 4, right? And 4 loves square shape. So square is made of 4 points and 4 sides, also the 4 corners. So the square is the shape that has the same side, right? And 4 has so many shapes. And he makes of the 2 terrible 2s. For the number block 5 is made of 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 equals 5. And the number block 5 these shapes are the same blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's why there's the number block 5 finger that she wears a glove and the 1 star shaped eye. So this is the number 6, which is the gamer. 5 plus 1 equals 6. And 6 has her dice. Her dice has 6 faces, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6 is made of 3 2s, 2 3s, or 1 plus 2 plus 3. Let's go to the number block 7. So number block 7, which is made of 6 plus 1 is 7, and 7 is the rainbow blocks. So rainbow blocks, which is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. So because rainbow has 7 colors, right? 7 colors of ice cream, cakes, or rainbow. For the number block 8, which is made of 7 plus 1 equals 8. And the number block 8 can make the other shapes, which is rescue for him and everyone. For rescue for himself and everyone and his friends, right? Everyone? So this is number block 9, which is another square club, right? 9 is made of 8 plus 1. And 9 always needs, right? 9 always sneezes all the time, which is 8 plus 1 equals 9, or 9 minus 1 equals 8. Or also 9 is 3 threes, because 3 times 3 is 9. And also 9 is a square like a number 4, because 3 by 3 is 9, right? For the last character is the number block 10, right everyone? Number block 10, which is made from 9 plus 1 equals 10. And 10 also a rocket or the step shape. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 10. And 10s are 2, 5, which has 10 fingers. So that's why there's 10 fingers gloves and 10 shape and the 2 star shape eye, which is 5, which is star has 5 points, right? So 2 5s are 10. So these are all the character cards. And this is the stickers. Oh, I forget. Do you know what is it? This is the activity card. Wow, so many. Oops. Take it off. Wow, so beautiful. Here, this looks like a game, right? This is the number block 1 and 2 to fill the blocks, and this is the 1, 2, 3, right? And this is for the square for the number 4 and for the number 5 to fill the numbers, right? And this is how to make the shape by using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the filling the Numberblocks Mathlink Cubes with these shapes. And this is the fill of the Numberblocks. There. Oh, the boulder. It's like a scale, right? And this is the Blocksy. Do you recognize Blocksy? Blocksy is the Numberblocks friend, which is last the number is bigger. Oh, a fruit salad. My favorite episode ever. And this is the Numberblocks cake, which is learn about Numberblocks 0. And then how many sheets in the Numberland. And this is the number block from 1 to 7, which is we should put the numbers that we made on the Mathlink Cubes on. Mathlink Cubes to put on. And wow! Number block 8 can make every shape that he can do. Oh! Look at here! Number block 4 and number block 9 is a square, right? Number block 4 has 2 blocks wide and 2 blocks tall, which is the same side. Also, the number block 9, which has 3 blocks wide and 3 blocks tall. And what's it behind? Oh my god. How to put it into number 10? How many blocks to make 10? Let's see. Oh, odds and evens. Oh, wow, 10 rocket space. So here's the number blocks, right? And wow, so many hands. And here's the gap that we should put on. Here's the gap that we put the Mathlink cubes on, and put this number blocks. Oh, this is my favorite episode too. Hiccups, right? Hiccups. And this is the race. And how many fingers to put the number blocks. What is 5 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 5 plus 3, and so on. And wow, so cool, ma'am. This is how to make 8. And the shapes. How many sides of the shapes? Oh, palace. The pattern palace. Oh, yeah, the big thumb. This one is my favorite. The magic mirror. And the shapes. So this is all of the cards. And this is the instruction how to build the number blocks. So there's no time to watch it. Oh, guys, do you know what is it? What is this? This is the Mathlink Cubes. Oh my gosh, so colorful. Let's take it off. Oh my gosh, so shiny. My god, so shiny. Oh, breaking apart. So this is indigo color, yellow, pink. Oh, breaking apart, sorry. 4 dark gray, 3 medium gray, and 3 light gray. Whew, 3 indigo and violet. There's 3 2 indigos and 3 2 violet. This is the color white, orange, red, blue, and green. So this is all of the Mathlink cubes. So this is the end of the unboxing number blocks from 1 to 10. So if you like it, you can click like, subscribe, and click the button below. So goodbye everyone. See you in the next video.